So today we are discussing substitution into algebraic expressions. But what is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is um, any expression like x plus 6 where you have a letter and a number, either added or multiplied like that. So that means 6 times x, or 7 minus x, or 3xy plus 9x. These are all examples of an algebraic expression, which we be discussing later in some other lesson. But for the time being, we are concentrating on substituting into algebraic expression. What does substitution mean? Substitution means you are replacing the letters that you have in the algebraic expression, like x here, x here, x here, x and y here, with a given number. So you replacing a given pronumeral or letter with a given number, and then calculating what will be the result. All right, so I write it down here. Substitution means replacing a pronumeral. Remember, pronumeral means letter. A pronumeral with a given value, with a given number, and evaluating the result. That is what substitution means. The other thing you got to remember, in expression like 6x, that means 6 times x, and we tend, when writing algebraic expression, to drop that times sign. But when you're substituting, you got to put back that multiplication sign. Okay, so in algebraic expressions, we drop the multiplication sign. And put it back when substituting. Okay, these are two things that you need to be having in your mind when doing practice on this topic. Now I give you a couple of examples to clarify that. Example 1. Evaluate 4x if x equal to 2. All right, to do that, what we do now, we do two things. First of all, we know that x is 2, so this x here is going to be replaced by 2. The other thing is, remember, there is a times between 4 and x. We're putting that times sign back. So 4 times x, which is 2, because this is 4 times x, and x is 2. So 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. As simple as this. Example 2. Evaluate 2x plus 1 if x is equal to 3. For this one, so again, we are going to put back that times. There is a times between 2 and x. And remember, x is 3. So it's going to be 2 times 3. Because 2 times x, which is 3. Because we want to have 3 for x. Then the rest, plus 1. Then you need to follow the order of operations always. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1, 7. That is our answer. Another example. This time I'm going to have two pronumerals. Evaluate 2x plus 4y minus 1 if x is 1 and y is 3. Okay. For this one, remember there is a times between 2 and x is 1. So I'm going to say that's 2 times 1. 2x, 2 times x, but x is 1. They tell us x is 1, so 2 times 1. Then plus 4 times y. 4 times y. This times has been dropped. We got to put it back. But y is 3. Y is 3. So 4 times 3. 4 times 3. Then minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, now using again the order of operations. 2 times 1 is 2. Then plus 4 times 3 is 12, then minus 1. This minus 1 which we had here, there is no pronumeral next to that, we just wrote it the way it was, minus 1. So 2 plus 12 is 14, minus 1 is 13. That is my answer. That is how you do substitution. Thank you for your attention.